Hey community, do you know that AI may have just taken one of the biggest leaps ever in biology? Today we are talking about a brand new AI system that does not just predict proteins, it can understand, design, and even help discover entirely new biology. And this could completely change how we develop medicines and treat diseases. After 4 billion years of evolution, proteins have become the molecular machinery of life. They build our cells, fight infections, repair damage, send signals, and control nearly every process inside living organisms. But here is a problem. Most proteins are still a mystery to science. That's where Biohub's new breakthroughs come in. Biohub has just released what it's called a world model of protein biology, a powerful AI engine built for prediction, design, and scientific discovery. The system includes three major components. First, ECM Fold2, a next-generation AI that predicts protein structures and can design entirely new proteins. Second, ECM Atlas, an enormous biological map containing 6.8 billion protein sequences and 1.1 billion predicted structures. And third, ESMC, a cutting-edge protein language model trained on approximately 2.8 billion protein sequences collected from across all life on the Earth. What makes this so exciting is that AI can now tackle one of biochemistry's toughest challenges: designing proteins that bind to specific molecular targets. In laboratory testing, ECM Fold2 successfully designed high-affinity protein binders, including single-chain antibodies against 5 medically important targets related to cancer and immunology. And here is the game-changing part. Instead of spending months or years searching for potential drug candidates in the lab, scientists can now run virtual experiments computationally before moving to real-world testing. ECMC represents a major leap from earlier protein AI models. Previous systems trained on millions of protein sequences. ECMC scales that to billions. Researchers discovered a scaling law showing that more computing power leads to increasingly accurate biological understanding. The result is a new state-of-the-art model that learns the rule governing how proteins fold, interact, and function. ECM Fold2 also delivers state-of-the-art protein structure prediction. It correctly predicts 55% of the challenging antibody-antigen structure and up to 77% of the protein-protein interactions when evolutionary information is available. Even more impressive, ECM Fold2 Fast can predict the structure of a protein with 1024 amino acids in just 9.4 seconds. That speed allows researchers to evaluate hundreds of thousands of protein designs every single day. The system was tested against 5 important disease-related targets including EGFR, PDGFR beta, PDL1, CTLA4, and CD45. Results improved dramatically as researchers increased computing power. Success rates for design mini binders jumped from 54% to 70%, while antibody success rates nearly doubled from 12 to 21%. One designed antibody targeting PDL1 achieved a remarkable binding affinity of 4.3 nanomolar and successfully blocked cancer-related immune suppression in laboratory tests. Researchers even validated one AI-designed protein using cryo-electron microscopy. The real-world structure matched the AI prediction with extraordinary precision, confirming the model was not guessing, it truly understands the biology. But perhaps the most surprising discovery came from inside the AI itself. Using advanced interpretability techniques, scientists found that the model independently learned many of biology's fundamental principles without ever being taught them directly. It discovered concepts involving amino acid chemistry, protein structures, biological functions, evolutionary relationships, and even mechanisms shared across unrelated proteins. To make all of this accessible, Biohub also launched ESM Atlas, a searchable map of 6.8 billion protein sequences and 1.1 billion structures, helping researchers explore both known and completely unknown biology. The implications are enormous. Scientists can now screen millions of protein candidates in hours, design therapeutic protein in days, and potentially accelerate treatments for cancer, rare diseases, and many conditions that currently lack effective therapies. Biohub believes this world model is a major step forward, a future where AI, massive biological datasets, and experimental science work together to discover new biology and create life-saving medicines faster than ever before. For more insane AI and tech breakthroughs, make sure to like and subscribe to Patch Pulse, and I will see you in the next update.